Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Telegram. You will go to settings and you will enter here. Then this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you can search about the application of Telegram and you will enter here. You will find Telegram in this app info. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.